Starting on the AM Superhet receiver project. Good morning, YouTube. Here with you at about 10 a.m. on a Friday. I just looking at the situation here. I played this last night. Now, it played pretty good. It didn't pick up a lot of stations. I was kind of surprised. But let me turn it on to see what it's doing this morning. Now, there was a station there where it was at yesterday, but of course that was last night. And I'm sure that has something to do with the drift of it or whatever. You can see now it's not working today as it was yesterday. I tuned the whole band. There's no... There it is right there. That's our local station. Turn it up a little bit and see if get anything else. Appears that's all I'm getting is the local station. I think it's trying to pull in something there, but I don't hear anything. It's my pill alarm. So anyway, I'm not going to fool around with this a lot. The reason I'm here today is to check the continuity on these cans, as Carl suggested. The heat may cause the varnish or whatever it is on the coils to disintegrate, and if that happens they may short. So we're going to check that for continuity and we'll see what that does. Let me turn this off. We'll get back into the radio here again later on, maybe. But like I said, for now, I just wanted to play the radio just to see if it does work. It does work on the local station, so that means the radio is working anyway. I did print up this to look at these coils. Now, all the coils are the same pretty much. They're the 3-prong, or they're all pretty much laid out the same way. Coils are across everything, and it's easy enough to figure out. So it shouldn't take but a minute to figure out if we're having a problem with it. So let me get my, like I said, get this radio here out of the way a little bit. And get our coils. Now this is the first IF coil. And I'll get my meter going here. I've got it on the lowest range, continuity or resistance, I should say. First thing I'm going to do is connect to the ground case, whatever you want to call it, and to double check and see if there's any connection between any of those. Nothing there. Of course, there wouldn't be anything there, I don't think, or there. Nothing there, and nothing there. Oh, whoop, whoop, whoop. I may have touched the wrong thing. It's hard to get these just right. Yeah, I'm touching the, just touching the coil, it doesn't get anything. Just if I touch that, of course it does. Alright, let's just double check these. Make sure we got continuity there. We do. I'm trying to get a fairly accurate measurement here. Looks like 0.5, 0.6 on those. Now while I'm connected, I think what we'll do is come over here, See if there's any connection. There is no connection on that one, or on that one, or on that one. So there's no connection across there. Let's make sure our continuity is good on this coil here. And it is. It's measuring 5.9 ohms. So that's good. And it should be less in the middle, obviously. Uh-oh. May have a problem there. No, there it is. Yeah, I'm not getting a good connection. Okay, 2 ohms right there. And I get this one. And I got 0.5 there, I think. It's kind of all over the place. I think the connection's just not good on these clip leads. And that says 4.1. I'm not really sure about that. Anyway, there's good connection. There's good continuity on that one. So the first IF is good. Let's see what the last IF is. And I don't know. Somebody had mentioned that they thought that was the same as the black. It is. It's. I think this is, you know, probably before the standardization of them. Because this is pretty early radio. I mean, it's not, you know, real early, but it's pretty early. So, let's see what we got here between the case and the, nothing between the case and the coil. I've got 1.1 on that one. See if we have anything on this. No connection there, there, or there. Them are actually good, I think. And we'll see what we got between this one. Looks like around 5.9. And we have 1.7 there, and I'm sure it's the other way around on the other one because it does have continuity with that. So, yeah. So, I keep touching the wrong thing. Looks like about, well, I think 1.3 at one point there. So, yeah, 1.3 is around what it's measuring, so that one's good. We're going to call it good anyway. So the last IF and the first IF is good. So let's check out the middle IF, second IF, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to do the same way on this one. Get the thing there. No measurement to the ground. Across the coil is it was 2.28, I think. That black one just does not want to make good contact. Oh, okay, 0.6. Not as much on that one. Let's try these. No connection. No connection. No connection. So those are good. Let's get a double or measurement on these. Looking like 5.5, 3.2, and I'm not going to bother measuring the other one because it's obviously going to be good. So all the IFs are good. Now this leaves the oscillator, and we'll see what it measures. Good connection on there. No connection to ground. No connection to either any pins on the secondary, primary, whichever it is. I don't know which it is. Let's see what we got here. Oops. 3.5. I get 3.5 on both of them. Okay, there's a better measurement there, 3.7, I think. This one here just doesn't want to make good contact. Let's try it this way. 3.5, 0.3. So that's probably close. I'd say that's good. So there's our measurements on the coils for the oscillator and the IF. They are good, so I think we are good to proceed on the construction of this. And I think what I have decided to do is use the plastic mounting, and I still haven't totally decided exactly how I'm going to do it, but like I said, I made a statement yesterday that I'm going to mount them all on this side, and it's going to be this way, you know, like that, and then the red one will be down here, and the white one here, and the green or blue, and the yellow. So that's pretty much how they're going to be, like that. And again, the now I think the thing's got to go. Well, I don't guess it matters really how it goes, as long as it's on there. So that's pretty much what I'm looking at.